Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Mythbusters Southern Manatee Style. I'm Rich Katanis.
I'm Chris Gould. Today we're going to be deconning a drone. You're used to seeing us blowing them up. Today you're going to see us try to drown one.
Yeah, in the effort of Southern Manatee to be able to use drone technology in our HazMat response, one of the key parts of that is decon. So we want to be able to effectively show that you can decon a DJI M200, M210 series. So we've brought in some of the industry experts to help us with this test.
Hey, I'm Brian Kiak. I'm from First Line Technology. I'm one of the Decon product managers.
And my name is Romeo Dorscher. I'm Director of Public Safety Integration at DJI.
So sit back, learn with us. We're going to go through these steps with everybody, and we'll show you at the very end how we're going to be able to fly this drone after we're done deconning.